Oh, you just finished your upper body workout and you're looking to stretch out. Here are 3 key stretches that I would recommend. First, take a bind behind your back, interlace your fingertips. Inhale, turn your heart up, gaze up towards the ceiling. And then exhale, try to dive your forehead down towards the earth. You can either do this seated or kneeling. You can also do this standing if you'd like. This just helps open up through the chest. Find some mobility for the shoulders. We just want to wiggle around here. And whatever position you're in, just try to stay loose. Keep your arms engaged as you squeeze your forearms and shoulders together. Ugh. We'll slowly release that. Second posture is a simple yogi squat. We draw our hips as low as we can. Wait, this is an upper body workout. Never mind. Second posture is a simple right arm across the chest. Pull your left arm towards yourself. Why is this so hard? I teach yoga all the time. I can't talk. I'm nervous talking in front of the camera. It is what it is. Switch out your arms. Pull your arm towards yourself. Reach your fingertips out to the side. Deepen your breath. Last one. Good. Slowly release. And then you're going to want to find a wall for this one. Where can I find a wall? I'm not sure if you can see this or not. Reach your right hand all the way out and then roll over. You were looking for a stretch between the pec and the shoulder here. Activate your fingertips. Push your hand into the wall and roll open. Deepen your breath. One more. Great, switch it out. Left hand now to the wall. Roll open. Deepen your breath. Last 2. Last one. Slowly release. So that's it. 3 simple postures you can do after working out your upper body. I would recommend doing 3 sets of each of these, 30 seconds each for maximum mobility, although 1 set of each of those is just fine. Better than nothing. Enjoy your workouts. We'll catch you soon.